Hello students, today we are going to discuss the simplified study material 12th class chemistry subject. So MCQ क्वेश्चन है जिहदे विच 28 टोटल आएंगे 1 मार्क्स कैरिंग क्वेश्चन उन्होंने आप कंप्लीट करांगे. सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर तो सोल्यूशन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है MCQ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्व सोल्यूशन शुड हैव हाईएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. ये आप आई वैल्यू देखा वॉन्ट ऑफ फैक्टर जिहदा ज़्यादा होएगा उन्ने हाईएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. सो करैक्ट आंसर साढ़े को बी होएगा जिहदे आई वैल्यू 3 आ जाएगी. ठीक है. सैकेंड क्वेश्चन है यूनिट ऑफ अबिलियोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टेंट जिन्होंने के बी भी लिख लें आप. अबिलियोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टेंट दैट इज यूनिट इज कैल्विन kg पर मोल. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट है द वैल्यू ऑफ वाटर फैक्टर ऑफ KCl NaCl पोटाशियम सल्फेट आर. सो करेक्ट आंसर अगेन आई वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करांगे. बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द वैल्यू ऑफ हेनरी कॉन्स्टेंट KH इज. सो बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट आंसर. ग्रेटर फॉर गैसेज विद लोअर सोल्युबिलिटी. Next, the colligative property of solution depend upon that is the number of solute particle. Correct answer is A option. Next, that is the colligative property of the solution depend on the that is again a number of moles of solute particle. ठीक है, B option is correct answer. Next, which of the following solution have least freezing point? Least freezing point ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I value ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ correct option D answer 0.1 molar. A calcium chloride. Next, semi permeable membrane permit the flow of. Semi permeable membrane ਜਿਹੜਾ permit करेगी solvent ਨੂੰ permit करेगी. B option is correct answer. Next, decreasing order of osmotic pressure of 10 gram glucose. So correct option is that is. Next, so correct answer is a D option. Next, that is a molarity of a 900 gram of pure water. That is a B option is correct answer 55.5 molar. Next, that is a mole fraction of solute in 2.5 molar aqueous solution. Correct answer B option is 0.043. Next, a solution of sulfuric acid contain 80% by weight sulfuric acid and has a specific gravity of 1.73 and its normality is approximately. सो सोल्यूशन इन सॉल्व करांगे. सो करैक्ट आंसर सी होएगा साढ़े को. नेक्स्ट है ऑन डिजॉल्विंग द कॉमन सॉल्ट इन वाटर द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर डिक्रीजेज. ठीक है, कोज एसोसिएशन हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ अबिलियोस्कोपिक कॉन्स्टेंट यूनिट कैल्विन kg पर मोल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है एक्व सोल्यूशन ऑफ मिथेनॉल इन वाटर हैज़ वेपर प्रेशर. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी ऑप्शन इज मोर दैन दैट ऑफ वाटर. नेक्स्ट है दैट मोलैलिटी ऑफ प्योर वाटर दैट इज 55.5 आंसर करेक्ट होएगा. नेक्स्ट है द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ NaCl इन 3 लीटर ऑफ 3 मोलर सोल्यूशन दैट इज 3 लीटर 3. सो टोटल ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर 9 आ जाएगा साढ़े को. नेक्स्ट है द नंबर ऑफ सल्यूट रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर द 10 लीटर ऑफ टू प्रिपेयर ए लीटर 1 लीटर ऑफ डेसीलीटर ऑफ ए सोल्यूशन साढ़े को है. The amount of solute required to prepare a 10 liter of a deciliter solution that is the correct answer that is a 1 molar solution 1 mole. Next, 1 kilogram of water contain 4 gram of sodium hydroxide. Concentration of solution is best expressed as a 0.1 molar आ जाएगा correct answer. Next, the number of moles of NaCl again option C is correct answer. Next, that is a मोलैलिटी इज एक्सप्रैसड एज मोलैलिटी ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੋਲ ਪਰ kg ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰਦੇ. ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਡੀ ਆਂਸਰ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ इज़ नॉट अफेक्टेड बाई टैंपरेचर दैट इज़ ए मोलैलिटी टर्म है जी टैंपरेचर इंडिपेंडेंट टर्म है. नैक्सट आइसोटोनिक सोल्यूशन हैविंग द सेम ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर. करेक्ट आंसर बी ऑप्शन हो जाएगा. नैक्सट द मोलर एलिवेशन कॉन्स्टेंट डिपेंड अपॉन द अगेन नेचर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. Next, the molarity is expressed as mole per liter. Next, which of the following is a colligative property? Relative lowering in vapor pressure is a colligative property. Osmotic pressure, elevation, boiling point, and depression, freezing point are colligative property. So here is option B is correct answer. Next, which of the following binary liquid mixture exhibit the negative deviation from Raoult's law? That is a chloroform and acetone. B option is correct answer. Next, a constant boiling mixture that is called as a azeotrope which ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ. Next, a pressure cooker reduce the cooking time because the boiling point of food under the pressure is elevated. Option C is correct answer. Next, a camphor is often used in molecular mass determination because it has high cryoscopic constant. So A is the correct answer. Next, next chapter second देखते हैं that is a electrochemistry chapter. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਡ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਆਫ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਨ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਡ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਨ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਡ ਨੂਮੈਰੀਕਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ 0 ਵੋਲਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਆਫ ਮੋਲਰ ਕੰਡਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਸੀਮਨ ਸੈਂਟੀਮੀਟਰ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਮੋਲ ਇਨਵਰਸ, ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਇਜ਼ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਂਸਰ। Next, the amount of Faraday required to reduce the 1 mole of copper to positive to metallic copper, so option B is 2 is the correct answer. Next, while charging the lead storage battery, so option A is correct answer, lead sulfate anode is reduced to the lead. Next, the molar conductance of electrolyte, molar conductivity of ammonium hydroxide become written as both molar conductivity of ions. Correct option is A answer, ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. Next, electrode potential is the potential difference that develop on the, option C is correct answer, electrode and electrolyte. Next, name of the cell which is used in Apollo space program, that is a fuel cell use करते हैं, option A is correct answer. Next, galvanic cell is also known as the Daniell cell. The next, that is a substance with higher reduction potential, means that is a good oxidizing agent. Next, that is the substance which allows the passage of electricity through them, that is called as a conductor, option A is correct answer. Next, Faraday a first law of electricity states that the amount of substance deposited during the electrolysis is directly proportional to the, that is the quantity of electricity passed. Next, that is the charge required for the reduction of 1 mole of MnO4 negative to MnO2 ਆਪਾਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਨਿਕਾਲ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ, ਸੋ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਚੇਂਜ +7 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਏ +4 ਤੱਕ, ਤਾਂ ਸੋ ਟੋਟਲ 3 ਦਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਿਆ, ਸੋ 3 ਫੈਰਾਡੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਆਂਸਰ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਨੈਕਸਟ, ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਅਕਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸ ਆਫ and gaining the electron or adding the electron, ठीक है, option C is correct answer. Next, that is a cell constant and specific conductance is related at, option C specific conductance is equal to conductance into cell constant. Next, rusting of iron is quicker in, that is a cell inverter ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ maximum ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ rusting. Next, solution has a resistance of 25 ohm and its conductance is, that is a 0.04 ohm or 1.25 ohm, that is both A and B, correct answer D option. Time required to liberate 1 gram of equivalent of an element by passing 1 ampere current through its, that is correct answer, that is a D option, 26.8 hour. Next, rusting is a, that is a chemical process. Next, unit of cell constant, that is a centimeter inverse, option B is correct answer. The process of used to depositing metal over the another metal, that is called as electroplating, B option is correct answer. Next, that is a corrosion can be prevented by using alloying, tanning, galvanization, कोई भी process की जा सकती, correct option D option हो जाएगा all of these. Next, the EMF of a cell ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ solve ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ correct option C ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 1.75 volt. Next question, the Cauchy's law is applicable, that is to electrolytic solution at infinite dilution ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Next, the E note of 3 metals A, B, C are voltage sun given है, so reducing power of these metal are in the order of, correct answer, that is a option D. जितनी small value हो जाएगी उन्नी reducing power सब तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगी। इसी साढ़े is the MCQ. Next, up true false we से chapter they करते हैं electrochemistry the first, that is a lead is used as electrode material mainly for cathode, that is a false statement. Oxidation takes place at anode in electrolytic cell, that is a true statement. Electroplating is known as a sacrificial protection, that is also true statement. Quantity of electricity required to liberate one equivalent or any primary product is Faraday, that is also true statement. The flow of current through electrolyte is due to the movement of electron, false statement. The electronic conductivity increase with increase in temperature, that is a false statement. The electrolytic conductivity increase with increase in temperature, that is a true statement. Next, that is a fuel cell is used to convert electrical energy into, that is a chemical energy, that is a false statement. Reduction of potential of F2 is highest, that is a true statement. All electrochemical cell produce electrical energy, that is a true statement. Primary cell are rechargeable, this is a false statement. Next, that is the secondary cell are rechargeable, that is a true statement. Nickel cadmium battery type of secondary cell, true statement है. formula of rust, that is Fe2O3 x water molecule, true statement. 1 Faraday having 96500 coulomb, the value, that is also true statement. नेक्स्ट है साढ़े कोल कैमिकल किनेटिक्स चैप्टर जिहदे 1 मार्क्स न्यूमेरिकल MCQ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਹੈ ਦ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਆਫ ਰੇਟ ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਫॉर ਜ਼ੀਰੋ order ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ, ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਇਜ਼ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਨਸਰ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕੰਸਨਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ 1 - n ਇੰਟੂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਇਨਵਰਸ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਕੰਸਨਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੋਲ ਪਰ ਲੀਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸੋ n ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ 0 1 2 3 ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਤਾਂ ਆਰਡਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਿਕਾਲ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ। नेक्स्ट है द रेट ऑफ ए रिएक्शन ऑफ a zero order reaction, that is a first option is correct answer, directly proportional to initial concentration. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन रेट एट ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम एक्स, द इनिशियल कंसनट्रेशन इज ट्रिपल। अगर ट्रिपल कर देवांगे तो ये वैल्यू साढ़े को रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन हो जाएगा, दैट इज़ ए 9x, ठीक है जी। सो नेक्स्ट दैट इज़ ए रिएक्शन हैविंग द रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन रेट इक्वल टू a the power 3/2 b the power 1/2, the concentration of both a and b are 4 टाइम, सो then our value rate of reaction change हो जाएगा, become that is a 16 टाइम हो जाएगा आंसर। नेक्स्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जीरो order reaction, the example of option A is correct answer, to ammonia that will decompose to form ammonia and hydrogen gas. Next, that is a order of overall reaction can't be, that is option C is negative. Next, unit of rate of a reaction is mole per liter, option A is correct answer. Next, that is the rate of reaction, the first option is A, increase with increase in temperature is correct answer. Next, that catalyst alter with which of the following in chemical reaction, option D, that is activation energy. Next, that is in the presence of catalyst the heat evolved or absorbed during the reaction, that is remains unchanged, option C is correct answer. Next, that is the effective collision between the reactant molecule at a higher temperature, that is increases. Next, that is in a biomolecular reaction, if one of the reactant is excess, that is called as a pseudo first order reaction. Next, for which type of reaction the order and molecularity have the same value, order answer, that is a B option, elementary reaction. Next, the rate of reaction does not depend upon none of these, temperature, concentration, catalyst किसी तरह depend नहीं करेगी. Next, which of the following is correct, that is a activation energy of forward reaction equal to the activation energy for a reverse reaction. So second, this is also incorrect statement. Second, for reverse reaction, increase in temperature increase the reaction rate both forward backward, a true statement है. The large and initial reactant concentration of second order reaction, the shorter the half life time, ये भी true है. When delta t is infinitesimally small, the average rate of reaction equal to instantaneous rate, true statement है. So option A is correct answer. Next, that the order of a reaction can't be, that is a D option, integer fraction 0 कुछ नहीं होएगा. Next, the unit of a rate constant for a first order reaction is, that is a second inverse, option A is correct answer. Next, the rate constant for a reaction depend upon, that is temperature is correct answer. Next, collision theory is applicable to the, that is a bimolecular reaction, option B is C is correct answer. A catalyst increase the rate of reaction by, so decreasing the activation energy, C is correct answer. Next, that is activation energy of a reaction is minimum amount of energy needed to overcome the potential barriers, so option C is correct answer. Next, the in a reaction the threshold energy become equal to the, that is activation energy and normal energy of reactant. So इसी साढ़े पहले 3 चैप्टर दे most important MCQ. So all the best to all the students, thank you. नेक्स्ट MCQ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੰਪਾਊਂਡ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ। ਫਸਟ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਿਟਾਮਿਨ B12 ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਆਫ, ਸੋ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੋਬਾਲਟ, A option. Next, complex of nickel cyanide 4,2 negative, that is a square planar and diamagnetic is correct answer. Next, what kind of isomer exists between the this and this molecule, which देखिए तो water molecule exchange हो रही है, so this is a hydrate or solvate isomer example. IUPAC name of platinum, ammonia 2 and ClNO2, that is the correct name. C option is correct answer, that is a diamine chlorido nitrito and platinum 2 oxidation state. Next, that which has maximum number of unpaired electron, that is a iron 2 positive ion. Next, that oxidation state of iron in K4FeCN6, that is a option B is 2 is correct answer. Next, that primary and secondary valency of platinum into Cl2 is, that is a correct option, that is a 2 and 6. D option is correct answer. Which of the following has square planar structure, so option C is correct answer, nickel cyanide 2 negative. Next, the correct IUPAC name of platinum, ammonia 3,2 Cl2 is that is a diamine dichlorido platinum 2. Next, which of the following is a strong field ligand? That is a CO. Next, that is an example of amphidentate ligand, that is a thiocyanate. Option D is correct answer. Next, how many donor atom in EDTA4 negative ligand bind together? That is the correct option is C, option D, 6 answer. Next, what is the shape of coordination polyhydrin of platinum Cl4 2 negative? That is a so B, square planar is complex right answer. Next, the oxidation state of nickel in a nickel CO4, that is a option B, 0. Next, the oxidation number of chromium in K chromium CO4 is, that is a -1. C option is correct answer. Next, which of the following compound is not a linkage isomer? So correct answer, that is a C option, COCl2 in 2Cl is not a linkage isomer. That is a compound CONH35ClSO4 and CONH35SO4 and Cl, that is the example of ionization isomer. Next, hemoglobin is a complex compound of which metal ion? That is a Fe2 positive ion. Next, that oxidation state of cobalt in K potassium CO4, that is a -1. Next, that is a ethylene diamine, example of a bidentate ligand. So these are the most important MCQ of coordination compound chapter. Next, true false type question. The oxidation state of a nickel in nickel CO4 is 0, that is a true statement. EDTA4 negative is ethylene diamine tetraacetate, and again true statement. FeCO5 is the most stable because CO is weakly filled ligand, that is a false statement. The energy difference between two set of d orbital, that is called as a Christopher splitting energy, that delta note na denote कर दें, true statement. FeCN6 3 negative, that is a ion can show magnetic moment corresponding to two unpaired electrons, that is a false statement. Next, that is a chelate complex tends to more stable, that is a true statement. Nickel cyanide 2 negative is square planar complex, true statement. 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen are donor atom in ethylene diamine tetraacetate, and that is also a true statement. The primary and secondary valency of copper NH3 4 SO4 are 2 and 4, that is also a true statement. ठीक है जी. सो ये सीधे टू फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हैलोअल्केन हैलोअरीन. अगेन MCQ की गल करते हैं. फर्स्ट दैट इज नेम द रिएक्शन है जिहदे विच अल्कोहल प्लस HCl टू फॉर्म है RCl अल्काइल है. दिस इज ए ग्रुप प्रोसेस. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट दैट इज ए next find the correct order of melting and boiling point. So aryl iodide and aryl bromide and aryl chloride, this is the correct way. So option A is correct answer. Next, that is the haloalkane haloarene are insoluble in water but soluble in benzene because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water. Option A is correct answer. Next, the hybridization state of carbon atom carrying the halogen atom in haloarene, that is the sp2 hybridization. Next, haloarene are less reactive than haloalkane. It is due to the two-factor resonance and difference in hybridization. So correct option C is the correct answer. Next, chlorobenzene treated with methyl chloride to form a ortho and a para product. So this is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Option A is correct answer. Next, chlorobenzene can be prepared from benzene diazonium chloride, that is a Zetterman and Sandmeyer reaction type reaction. So option D is correct answer. Next, the order of the reaction of iodobenzene with copper powder in a sealed tube to give a diphenyl, that is a Ullmann reaction. Option A is correct answer. The IUPAC name of the complex, that is a option A is correct answer, 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Next, that is a reaction of chlorobenzene with N2Na to form a biphenyl. This is a fatigue reaction. So next, that the isomer which can be interconverted through rotation about single bond, that is called as a conformation. Okay. Next, that is the carbon which is bonded to 4 different atom or group of atom, that is called as a chiral. Option is correct answer. Next, the process of separation of a racemic mixture into D and L, that is called as a resolution. Okay. Next, that is a Woods reaction involve the two molecule of alkyl halide. B option is correct answer. Next, the CX bond is strongest in CH3F is the strongest. The alkyl halide react with the KCN to give, that is a cyanides. ठीक है. सो ये सी साढ़े को MCQ क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर दे. Next chapter ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ alcohol, phenol and ether. So first MCQ dehydration of alcohol give ether is catalyst Y. So correct option is A, concentrated sulfuric acid and 413 Kelvin. अगर 443 करांगे तो alkene बनेगा, ठीक है. Second है that is a dehydration of tertiary alcohol with copper 573 that will give the alkene. Next Williamson synthesis is an example of that is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Option A is correct answer. Next a commercial alcohol is made unfit for drinking by adding the that is a methyl alcohol, ठीक है. Next a phenol on distillation with zinc dust that will give the benzene. Option A is correct answer. Next a power alcohol is a mixture of that is 80% of petrol and 20% ethanol plus small quantity of benzene. Option B is correct answer. Next phenol are more acidic than alcohol because of phenoxide ion is stabilized by the resonance. Option is correct answer. Next, which of the following reagent cannot be used to distinguish between phenol and benzyl alcohol, that is a FeCl3. Next, that is a correct order of boiling point of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, that is a primary alcohol greater than secondary then greater tertiary. Option A is correct answer. Which compound is predominantly formed when phenol is allowed to react with bromine in aqueous medium, that is a 2,4,6 tribromophenol is correct answer. Option C. Next salicylaldehyde can be prepared from phenol, that is why the Riemann reaction. Option C is correct answer. Total number of acyclic structure isomer possible for compound for molecular C4H10O, that is a option. Option B is correct answer 7. So Williamson synthesis of preparing dimethyl ether is an example of that is a SN2 reaction. D option is correct answer. Next, which of the following alcohol on dehydration with concentrated sulfuric acid to give the butene, that is a butanol. Option D is correct answer. Next, which of the following alcohol will give the iodoform test, that is a option C, propanol. Next, that is a ethanol on warming with the concentrated sulfuric acid at 413, that will give the diethyl ether. Next question है phenol react with bromine water in CS2, that will give the ortho and para bromophenol, ठीक है. अगर bromine water यूज़ करांगे फिर 2,4,6, अगर आप bromine in CS2 यूज़ करांगे तो फिर ortho and para bromo. Next Riemann reaction is useful for the preparation of salicylaldehyde. So option B is correct answer. Next phenol on distillation with zinc dust, that will give benzene. Option A is correct answer. Williamson synthesis is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Option A is correct answer. Next, commercial alcohol is made unfit by adding the methyl alcohol. Next, molecular formula of ether CnH2n plus 2O. So is the correct answer B, ठीक है जी. सो इसी तरह नेक्स्ट ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਲਡੀਹਾਈਡ ਕੀਟੋਨ ਐਂਡ ਕਾਰਬੋਕਸਿਲਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ ਚੈਪਟਰ. ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਲ ਨੋਟ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਸੀਸੀ ਬੌਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦਾ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਕੈਨੀਜ਼ਾਰੋ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ. ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਏ ਇਜ਼ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਂਸਰ. strongest acid among the following, that is a acetic acid is stronger acid because alkyl group नहीं होएगा ना कोई भी. which of the following do not give aldol condensation reaction, that is a formaldehyde. Option A is correct answer. Next, the catalyst used in Rosenman reduction reaction, that is a lead barium sulfate. Next, the carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol and alcohol because of the resonance stabilization of conjugate base. Next, that is correct order of decreasing reactivity of nucleophilic addition in case of acetaldehyde, formaldehyde and acetone, that is the correct option is B option. Acetaldehyde, formaldehyde greater than acetaldehyde greater than acetone. Next, the reagent with which both acetaldehyde and acetone react easily, that is a Schiff reagent. Next, the chemical reaction of HCHO will give the alcohol and sodium salt of acid, that is a Cannizzaro reaction. Option B is correct answer. The distinction between the pentant 2-on and 3-on can be distinguished by iodoform test. So option C is correct answer. Next, which of the following will undergo aldol condensation? Aldol condensation, that is a option D is correct answer. जो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होएगा. Next, the compound C5H10O to form a phenyl hydrazone and give the negative tolerance reagent test and iodoform test on reduction with zinc mercury HCl compound A give the N-pentane. The compound is option B. Aldehyde is correct answer. Next, that is tertiary butyl alcohol can be obtained by reacting with CH3 MgBr followed by hydrolysis, that is a acetone. Next, C6H3N3O7, that is a picric acid the formula होएगा. The end product of the following, so which soda missing है. Next, the benzoic acid is weaker acid than the then formic acid and acidic stronger than acetic acid. Option D is correct answer. Next, which of the following reaction will give the benzophenone? So correct answer is 1 and 3 option. Benzoyl chloride, benzene plus AlCl3 and benzoyl chloride diphenyl cadmium. Next, propanone can be prepared from ethine by option C is correct answer. Boiling ethine with water and presence of HgSO4 and sulfuric acid. Next, the oxidation of toluene to benzaldehyde by chromyl chloride, that is called as a Itard reaction. Option A is correct answer. Next, there is a large difference in the boiling point of butanol and butan 1 all is due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in butanol. Option A is correct answer. Addition of HCN to carbonyl compound is an example of nucleophilic reaction. Next, that is the aldehyde other than formaldehyde react with the Grignard agent to give the addition product with the hydrolysis, that is a secondary alcohol. Next, which of the following will not give the aldol condensation? This is a benzaldehyde जो qualified नहीं होएगा. So next, that is a which of the following compound does not react with the sodium bisulfate? So that is a B option is correct answer. Next, the product of hydrolysis of ozonide to 1-butene are, that is a option C is correct answer, propanol and methanol. Next, which of the following compound will undergo Cannizzaro reaction? That is a benzaldehyde. Option C is correct answer. Next is article true false. First, aldehyde and ketone are react with the electrophile but not with nucleophile. False statement. Wolff-Kishner reduction of acetophenone gives a toluene. That's also false statement. Next, acetaldehyde can be reduced to ethane in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. False statement. Next, acetaldehyde can be prepared by distillation of calcium acetate. Again, false statement. Benzaldehyde cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction. True statement. Aldehyde are less easily oxidized and then ketone. This is a false statement. Benzaldehyde reduce Fehling solution. Again, false statement. Ketone give nucleophilic addition reaction more easily. False statement. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin on hydrolysis give lactic acid. That is a true statement. Benzaldehyde form addition product with the sodium bisulfite but not with acetophenone. This is a true statement. Calcium formate on heating with acetaldehyde. False statement. pK value of formic acid are smaller than acetic acid. True statement. Carbon oxygen bond length in formic acid are equal. False statement. During the reaction of carboxylic acid and sodium bicarbonate, product is formed. True statement है, थोड़ा missing है. When benzoic acid is heated with soda lime and benzene is formed, that is a true statement. Acetate ion is a stronger acid than methoxide ion. That is a false statement. And the trimethyl carbon CH2COH is more acidic than trimethyl selenium product, so more acidic. That is a true statement. Formic acid gives silver mirror test and tolerant test. That is a also true statement. So ਇਸ is ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ MCQ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ true false carrying question. So these are the ਜਿਹੜੇ most ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਬਾਕੀ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ਕਾਰਬੋਹਾਈਡਰੇਟਸ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਅਮਾਈਨੋ ਐਸਿਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਗਾ, ਅਮਾਈਨੋ ਐਸਿਡ ਦਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ 2 ਮਾਰਕਸ 3 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਅਤੇ 5 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੈਰਿੰਗ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਮੋਸਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ. ਸੋ ਆਲ ਦੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ. ਸੋ ਗੈਟ ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਕਸ. ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਆਈ ਹੋਪ 70 ਆਊਟ ਆਫ 70 ਹੀ ਆਉਣਗੇ. ਸੋ ਆਲ ਦੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ. ਗੁੱਡ ਲੱਕ.